Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix letters are joining together in Microsoft Word document. As we can see, these two are joining in letters. Here TI are joining in function. So similar way, if you type some words, so some letters will be joining. So to resolve this problem, on this font setup, and here click on this advanced, and here open type features. So first drop down, select none, and click on OK. Select it and select here none, then click on OK. So this way you can fix this error. Thanks for watching.